Hello everyone. I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about Sarala Yoga. There are many types of Viparita Raja Yoga in which Sarala Yoga also comes. Let's have a detailed study. Let's proceed. Sarala Yoga is a type of Viparita Raja Yoga which occurs when there is an unique connection between the lords of 6th, 8th and 12th house. Sarala Yoga is formed when Lord of the 8th house resides in the 6th or 12th house. It's also formed when the Lord of the 8th house resides in his own house. Then the Sarala Yoga is been formed. The native of Sarala Yoga are learned and educated person. They will be masters of many art. They succeed in generating wealth with their own efforts. They own immovable property, that's land and landed property, and they are famous. They are principled and capable of taking the right decision. They are blessed with to win over their enemies. They live longer and can even extract benefit from their enemies. Those born with Sarala Yoga are destined to get good result of their karma. This yoga will create problem for the native, but once these obstacles are come over, when they cross these obstacles is overcoming the problem, they will be relieved. The Raja Yoga brings in positive results to the native and they will lead a comfortable life without any issue whatsoever, whereas in Viparita Raja Yoga the struggle is there, but eventually the native will come out winning over all their problems and acquire auspicious results of their efforts. So he will get the results of their karma. If they do only good things, he will receive the good things. This is my website. The link of the website is been provided in the description box. Anyone interested or want for a consultation service, they can reach me through the website, or they can contact me through telephone, WhatsApp, mobile, Telegram. The number is 9282103960. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you will be getting the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.